subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The ZTE sub-brand Nubia has officially launched its new gaming smartphone globally called Red Magic 6S Pro, and there is a transparent version of this phone that looks cool with RGB illuminated cooling fan. Talking about the specifications, the Red Magic 6S Pro features a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 165Hz refresh rate and 720Hz touch sampling rate. The screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, and it has 8-megapixel selfie camera under the top bezel with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup that houses a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel macro lens. Under the hood, the Red Magic 6S Pro comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset paired with Adreno 660 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The device comes backed by a massive 5050 mAh battery with 66W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 11 based on Red Magic OS 4.0 skin on top. For gaming, it has two dedicated touch shoulder keys with 450Hz touch sampling rate, and there is a mappable touchpad area at the back called M key that gives more control by sliding across the touchpad to activate. The handset comes with an upgraded multi-dimensional cooling system that helps the device to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes DTS-X surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 169.86 by 77.19 by 9.5mm, and it weighs around 215 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Red Magic 6S Pro has been priced for 12GB plus 128GB storage variant at $599, while the 16GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at $699. And there is also a transparent edition of the phone called Ghost that is priced at $729 for the 16GB plus 256GB storage model. The smartphone is set to go on sale starting from September 27th in some selected regions, and it will be available in Eclipse Black, Transparent, and White color options. So what do you guys think of this Nubia Red Magic 6S Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.